You'll learn how to allow users to like or dislike comments in WordPress. Allowing your users to like or dislike comments can improve engagement on your website. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Comment Like Dislike plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to do that. I'll link it in the description below. Now go to Comments and click on Comments Like Dislike. First, check this to enable like and dislike on comments. Now from here you can change the position of the like or dislike. You can choose what you want to display, and then click on Save Changes. Then go to Design Settings. You can choose from different templates. And you can change the icon color and the count color. Then click on Save. Now let's go to the website. I'll open a post and go to the comments section. And here you can see the like and dislike option. This is how you can allow users to like or dislike comments in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.